Welcome back to the channel, guys. This is a trade I caught on Gbpusd, and I want to share them with you real quick. Now, this is the reason why you have to like and subscribe to the channel, so when I drop videos like this, you will be able to catch them. I'm not actually teaching, I'm calling out trades, so you have to hit the notification bell, so when I drop the videos like this, you'll be the first to catch them. Watch the chart for yourself and then execute those orders. Now, the last time I called a trade on GBP/JPY, same strategy, and in fact the price moved and it was mind-blowing. The same break and retest, getting my divergence as my confluence, and my trend line, the break and retest of these trend lines, and then that was just it. I didn't add any other extra thing like Fibonacci, and price just moved. My final TP was on this level, and then price managed to break this level, broke this major structure, retested it, and then finally advanced. Sorry guys, I couldn't call out this trade. I was very busy, but I took it anyway. I couldn't make the video about it. So you can see this is where we are currently. Now let's go back to the trade I'm calling out on GBPUSD. So this is GBPUSD right now. Let me go into the 4-hour. My chart looked very messy, so guys, forgive me for that. That's because I use a lot of Fibonacci. By the way, just for you to see, to have an overview of the market and see where we are actually, because in the market you have to know where you are and know where we're going. Okay, so you can see I have two trend lines here. Kind of confusing because price wasn't following a one trend line, kind of bouncing between these two trend lines, so that is why I have them here. So we can consider this side like the low kind of for GBPUSD. So we've been expecting a reversal from this point, from the downward movement we had from the previous weeks. So we are expecting a reversal from this region, and price is kind of doing that. You can see this is forming something like a head, inverted head and shoulder. Doesn't really look cool like that, but it seems to. So let's go back to our 1 hour so that things will be clearer from there. So I'm monitoring price, and I have my trend lines drawn, and I was just waiting for this break and retest. Actually, I could have entered a trade here, a sell here, but I didn't really have any strong reason to. So because I actually wanted a break and a retest, so I was expecting that here. It didn't happen. Price came, couldn't break this level. All right, that is an indication we are about to move upwards, and then came right up here, broke this trend line beautifully and retested. So this is where I started getting ready to see extra confirmations before entering the trade. Now the other thing is my fib, which I depend on a lot. So I put my fib from swing low to the swing high, and we are retesting this trend line. Let me make this a little bigger. Okay, so we are retesting this trend line at the 0.382 fib level, which is really cool. So from indications, it looks like price is about to go upward. Now the third and final one is the divergence. Now guys, I told you divergence is when price is printing highs and lows opposite to what the RSI is doing. This is the RSI right here at the bottom, and I'm going to make a separate video and explain RSI to you guys because it's one of my key strongholds. You can see in my GBP/JPY, that is exactly what I did. I have all these yellow lines all over the place. When you see these yellow lines, yellow arrows, I use them for divergence. So let's go back to the GBPUSD, and you can see we have nice divergence here, which is also an indication that price is about to go bullish. So with these three confluences, break and retest, fib level of 0.382 and divergence, we can comfortably say that we can enter a buy on GBPUSD at this level. hope I'm clear. So we would pull our long position and enter the trade right here. Now stop loss should be below this trend line, because that is the assumption that we have broken this trend line and we don't have to break it again. We have to move upward. So your stop loss should safely be below this trend line. Now you can bring it a little down, but I mean reasonably it should be below this trend line. All right, and for profit targets, we are looking to this minus 0.618 fib level, which is around this side. Okay, but then we might touch here, but it will take time. So it should be for here, and from this side we are good to go. So you can enter about 2 or 3 trades, one around 1.317 price level, second one here, and the final TP around 1.376, and it should be good to go. So guys, this is the trade I'm calling out on Gbpusd. You can monitor price yourself and then enter accordingly. So that's it for now. When I see opportunities like this, I'm going to call them out, which is why you have to like the video, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, which is very, very important. So when I drop videos like this, you'll be able to see them. I wish you guys all happy trading and see you in the next video, guys. Peace.